Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a first move shoulder roll spin. Obviously it's going to be really helpful if you've done a shoulder roll before and a first move before. Links in the description below, and we'll jump in. Looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. So let's break it down. It starts exactly like a standard first move, except we're going to go for 2 hands instead of 1. So we're going to go back, 2 hands, we're bringing the lady forwards as if we're going to do a 2-handed first move. And as we do that, guys, we're going to take the right hand wide, we're going to bring our elbow up, being very careful not to get too close to the lady, so that as we bring the lady in, we can hook over her arm with the elbow, which places the lady's hand hooked onto the shoulder, and do the twist out like a first move. From here, we're going to do a little rock. So we're going to twist in, flattening the hand. We're going to send the lady back out. This time we're going to bring the lady forwards just from the connection in the shoulder, and as the lady comes forwards, we're going to keep the lady turning to the left by taking the hand away, over the lady, down, push through to the right to get the spin, and catch at the end. Let's show you that again from the other side, and think about numbers as we do it. So we're going to go back to 2 hands. 1, we're going to link 2, we're going to twist out 3, we're going to come forwards 4, opening back out 5, coming forwards 6 into the turn 7 with a spin 8 and catch 1. Let's do that to a count together. Here we go. 5, 6, first move shoulder roll spin. We go a back, over, twist, flat, open, forwards, turn, spin and catch. You may find you end up doing that last little bit with just your thumb or the first 2 fingers. It's going to be good either way. There's no large forces involved. If you can use the whole hand, great. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out, and we'll pop a music recommendation on the end. Cheers. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.